एक म्हणजे पार्टीन डिसिजन घेतल्याक नॉर्थाक रमाकांत क्लब आनी सावथाक कॅप्टन विराट तिकेट दिवपाची. ह्या निर्णयाचे आमी स्वागत करतात आनी दोगांकूय बेस्ट विशीस दिता. सद्याक गोंयांक सगळें जें वातावरण आसा तें BJPचे विरुद्ध आसा आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा ह्या निर्णयान गोंयांक आमी दोनूय सिटां जिखतले. सगळ्यांनी एक जावन काम करपाची गरज आसा. पक्षा कडेन तिकेट म्हणटा ती एकूच आसता आनी पक्षाक निर्णय घेता आसतना दे हॅव टू कन्सिडर ऑल द फॅक्टर्स इन्क्लुडींग सोशल इंजिनियरींग जेका म्हणटात एंड वेरियस अदर फॅक्टर्स आर टू बी टेकन इनटू कन्सिडरेशन. So definitely party might have taken all factors into consideration while deciding both the candidatures.
तेका लागून डिले जाली कितें दिसता तिकेट दिवपा?
No, delay, of course delay, there may be various reasons, but as compared to 2019 parliamentary elections where the tickets were given just 22 days before. Now today
1 month.
we are just 1 month
Right.
for election. So still better, but we are late as compared to the BJP's candidature, because BJP's candidature is candidate is moving both the constituencies. I'm sure with our party cadre who is working at the ground level, at the booth level, block level, we'll definitely cover up, and all of us will jointly work for both the candidates. It's not only we, Congress, it's a India alliance. Various political parties are also with us, and the opposition is much bigger than the last time. So now example, Aam Aadmi Party is with us. Secondly, the people of Goa, most of them are agitating against this government, including its own cadre. Now in South Goa, the parliamentary seat is given to a new person. Just an industrialist is getting converted as a politician. It's a very difficult process. You cannot convert industrialist into a politician. A politician can become industrialist. So as a politician, your entire movement, your approach, your attitude is completely different. And seeing the feedback of the BJP Karyakarta, they are angry. They are many aspirants, they are also angry. They feel that they are just considered as labor contractors. All the BJP Karyakartas feel that you are just labor contractors. You just get some candidate with a huge finance, and then you just hire us during the election, you spend money and then you go back. So these are the feelings. The youths are angry because of the unemployment. The environmentalists and the Goans are angry because the environmental destruction. There's economic recession. Small businessman also is very upset.
Price rise is also.
Price rise is there. So entire Goans are very disturbed, and most important point is the Goans identity. Now आमी काय गोंयची जी अस्मिताय आसा ती एक डेंजराक पावल्ली आसा. सो म्हाका दिसता हो सेकंड ओपिनियन पोल आसतलो, कारण एक ओपिनियन पोलान आमी गोंय सांबाळ्ळें. सो हो ओपिनियन पोल आसतलो ते गोंयची अस्मिताय, गोंयची आयडेंटिटी सांबाळपा खातीर हें वोटींग जातलें. आनी डेफिनेटली दोनूय कॅन्डिडेट काँग्रेसचे विन जातले.